그러면은 다시 영상 처음부터 시작해주시고.
Okay, until we replay from the first video. Dahil wala ulit.
But guys, it's time to wrap up Kim Ji-won's first Asia fan meeting tour, Be My One in Manila. And of course, before we say goodbye, could you share with the fans about your upcoming plans? What can they expect from you?
지금 가장 빠른 시일 내에는 이제 아시아 팬미팅 투어를 계속해서 해나갈 예정이어가지고 그 스케줄 잘 마무리하고 행복하고 좋은 추억들 팬분들과 쌓을 예정이고요. 저는 또 앞으로 여러분들에게 또 다른 작품으로 또 다른 캐릭터로 인사드릴 수 있도록 계속해서 노력하고 있을 예정입니다.
Well, first of all, my plans are really to finish off very well my remaining Asian fan meeting tour stops sa iba't ibang mga lugar. And after that, I'm preparing for my next project to give you also something na mag-understanding mo. So I hope you all look forward to those two soon.
Yes, of course, we will be continuing to support Kim Ji-won in her future projects, right? Yeah! Ji-won, if you could describe the Philippine fan meeting in one word, what would that be?
뭐 이거 너무 귀엽고 너무 좋지만 정말 진짜 감동?
It was actually the hand signature that niluwan niya ako. It was actually fun and cute, but maybe to wrap up the whole the Philippines fan meet, maybe I would say heart-touching.
Yes!
처음부터 이렇게 끝날 때까지 이렇게 굉장한 에너지로 애정을 계속 보내주셔서 정말 감동이었고요. 그리고 여러분들께서 한 목소리로 노래를 불러주시는 것을 들은 순간을 저는 오래오래 기억할 것 같아요. 너무 감사합니다.
Well, thank you so much, guys, from the start, and then your energy has been very amazing and supportive, and working behind your plus one voice. It was something that I will actually cherish it for a very long time. Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan.
Yes, guys! And I'm sure she will never forget the Philippine audience. Trust me, they never do. Kasi talaga namang maraming salamat sa pagbigay niyo ng energy from the start until now. Thank you guys so much. And hindi pa tapos ang lahat. Kasi after nito, please do not go away yet because or go home yet dahil meron pa kayong high-buy session with Kim Ji-won. So, just wait for the instructions from the top live staff and don't miss your chance to have a